Let's review some important properties of multiplication. So, the first property is the product of two numbers does not change when the order of numbers is changed. For example, if we multiply 15 by 12, we will get the same product if we change the order of these two numbers. Second, the product of three numbers does not change when the grouping of numbers is changed. It doesn't matter whether we change the grouping of a number or not, we will get the same product. Third, the product of a number and 1 is the number itself. For example, if we multiply 819 by 1, we get 819 only. If we multiply any number by 1, we get that number itself. Fourth, the product of a number and 0 is always 0. It doesn't matter what number we are multiplying by 0, we will get the 0 as the product always. So there are various parts of multiplication. Let's see over here, we have an example. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. Over here 3 and 7 are the factors. 3 is known as multiplicand and 7 is multiplier. When we multiply these two factors, we get product as 21, and this 3 and 7 in between we have a multiplication sign and we have equal to sign also. As you know that you have already done multiplication in your previous classes also, but in your previous classes you have learned the multiplication of a number by 2 or 3 digit numbers. But in this today's video we are going to learn how to multiply 3 or 4 digit numbers. So we have taken an example where we are going to multiply a number by 4 digit numbers. So let's see what is the example. Multiply 3987 by 3124. In this we have to follow the following step. The step 1 is multiply 3987 by 4. This is the first step. That is, when we multiply these two numbers, we will get the first partial product. And the first partial product is 15,948. This partial product we get by multiplying by 4. Step 2 is multiply the number by 2. So when we multiply it by 2, we get 7,974. And we have taken one cross over there. This is to indicate that 2 is in tens place. This is known as second partial product. Step 3 is multiply 3,987 by 1. So when we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number itself. And this is known as the third partial product. So we have taken 2x over here. Now fourth step is multiply 3,987 by 3. So when we multiply this by 3, we get 11,961 as the fourth partial product. Now we have multiplied with all the numbers. The fifth step is add all the partial products. That means add first, second, third, fourth partial product to get the final product. So when we add all the partial products, we get the answer as 1,24,55,388. So now let's multiply by 3 digit number. One more example is over here. 413 multiplied by 321. We get the partial products and then the final product. So now multiplication by 10, 100 and 10,000 or 1000. So here we have example. You write the number, then you add number of zeros we have over here. For example, we have one more example, 129 multiplied by 1000. First we have to multiply 129 by 1, and we multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself and then the number of zeros. This is how we multiply the numbers. So students, that's all for today in this video. I hope you understand what is multiplication and how to multiply. Now we will continue in the next video. Till then, stay home.